it's not raining for once. We thought we'd go out, and we randomly decided we're going to go to Cambridge to have a wander and take this little hut here for a bimble, see what we can see. So come join us, and hopefully you have a lovely day with us on this sunny day. Actually sunny for once. Today we're in Cambridge. It's a sunny day, as you can see. We're out in the field. We parked just over there at the Kelsey Herring Sports Centre in Cambridge Park. It's got a park in there. Over 5 hours is about £10. And we're going to wander over this way. We're in Cambridge. Random fact about Cambridge. Cambridge University has been here since 1209. Okay, so the seat of education. And we're going to have a wander around. Some things to be aware of. If you have a dog that hates push bikes, do not come to Cambridge. Because he goes mental and he barks at everything. Don't you? So I spend the day avoiding push bikes in Cambridge, which is full of push bikes. We're heading in towards the shopping bit of Cambridge, have the nose around, see what we can see. Got my dog bark at more cyclists, wear himself out. It's not as hilly as Derbyshire, so we've got to wear him out somehow. We're just wandering down this road, see where it goes. See what the universe provides. So this is the Botanical Gardens, I believe back that way. You pay to get in. You can have a wander around. I don't think dogs are allowed.
Where are we going?
No idea, I just saw like jungle like footpath for Cambridge. I'm going down here. If we get lost, we have to send out to search park. Nom 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 nom. Want some coffee? Want a cake? Want some cake? How about some chicken? Oh yeah, chicken. Here's some chicken. We cool off here for a bit more. We're going to lap round the Botanical Garden without going in it. We start that side, all the way around, and back on this side, heading towards the city centre again. The Botanical Garden opened in 1846. Science and research, over 8,000 species from around the world. Admission is free if you've got a friend of the Botanical Gardens, £8.50 for an adult. Children are free. Standard adult is £7.70, and if you're a university student, you're getting free.
Okay.
Well, Cambridge University student.
Let's go.
Nice children. Takes us to King's College Chapel. Sit the nude shop. We wandered around some of the colleges you've seen. Now we're going to have a wander around the market, see what there's to be seen and to be bought, and maybe have a sit down and have a drink. Bike fits, very important in Cambridge.
Oh yeah.
Especially after my dog's attacked every single bike in Cambridge. Have an ostrich burger, please, and a hot dog. Thank you. anthropology, history bit, museology. Down here you can hire a pump, yourself hire it, take it out if you don't know what you're doing. You don't want to go, or you can go on guided tours. Either which you can't take a dog with you, so we're not doing it. So we're just going to go for a wander and have a look. It's Sunday. Okay, if you wander behind the old university bits, colleges, you come to the CAM opportunity where you can punt, self-hire, or go on a guided tour if you're feeling brave. There's also stand-up paddleboarding, other activities. If you've got a dog, unfortunately, can't do it. So I think you'd be pretty good at it. Noodle, I reckon you could punt. You're gonna go for a swim. Came to Cambridge for my dog to bark at bikes and roll the camera wheel. It's so uncouth Noodle. Should be here expanding your horizon, learning new things. Oh, how's that photograph here? Huh? How much to hire those ones? To stand on that bit, it's like a submarine punt. Careful.
Oh, yeah.
Almost end up in the water. Come on. Came to Cambridge to see the universities. We came to see our fields, some sunken punts, and my dog barked at all the cyclists. Started rolling the poo. Not very educated. It's definitely worth the day trip out. Don't bring a dog if you want to go in any place because you have to pay. They won't let you in. It's still a very nice day out. No, right, Luke. No, don't roll in there. Come in. Drink some water. We came to Cambridge today. Positive thing, it didn't rain. We wandered around the whole place. Started off here, ended here. We've been to the old colleges, we've been to the CAM, we've seen all the places we can go. We've had a dog that barked on every single cyclist. I hope you enjoyed it. I wonder where we're going to go to next. Goody, what do you think? Good day out? Did you learn anything today?